Mr. Ancona and I are here to talk to you about pool testing and how to collect your saliva. We're going to give you step-by-step instructions so you're comfortable doing it. Remove test tube and straw from the Ziploc bag.
Make sure you have something on your lap so that you can put the test tube and the straw on it.
Take your time doing this. Unscrew the cap from the test tube.
I'm going to unscrew the cap from the test tube.
Insert ridged end of straw into test tube so it fits tightly.
So here's the ridged end right into the test tube.
Okay, here's the fun part. Pool saliva in your mouth and push the saliva through the straw, which means get some saliva in your mouth so you can spit it into the straw. You have to fill the test tube up to the black line midway point.
So here's the black line. Make sure that it's filled up to the midway point.
Next, remove the straw from the test tube. Replace the cap tightly onto the test tube. Okay, now you have to take out that alcohol wipe and wipe outside of the test tube with an alcohol wipe. This is very important again.
All right, so take out the alcohol pad.
And hold the test tube tight.
Hold the test tube tight and wipe off any saliva.
Place the test tube back into the Ziploc bag.
So just the test tube goes back into the Ziploc bag.
And then hand the bag back to Mrs. Gallagher, our high school nurse, who is running the collection. Thank you.
And make sure that you throw out your straw and the alcohol pad cover.
Mrs. Negrin will be also, or another adult will be in the auditorium if you have any questions. Thank you.